if YouTube is not promoting your videos, I mean is not recommending your videos are just stuck, you're not getting views, you are stuck in maybe 2 views, 3 views or 5 views, your video is not just moving at all, there is this one thing I want us to just go and do now, which is a way of promoting your video in this way, and you're going to see results. I tried it on this my video and I'm able to get up to 1,000 plus views, and I also tried it in this my other video and I'm able to get up to this 800 and something views, and I know it has gotten more than that, right? So now this is what I want you to go and do right now, so you promote your video. If you feel this video is what you like to watch, please like, subscribe and share this. Let me show you how you can promote your video for it to be recommended by YouTube, for you to get the views that you actually want for your video, right? I don't want this video to be too long. Let's just dive straight to my screen record as I take you through this process. And please, as I'm doing it, you can also be doing it in your channel, and believe me, after watching this video you're going to see results. So guys, let's dive into my screen record. This is my own page. This is actually the video, one of the video I'm talking about. After I did this particular setting, as you can see, I post this particular video a month ago, and I decided, why is this video not getting views? So I just go ahead and do this setting in this particular video. It has gotten up to 1.3k views, as you can see here. So this is what I'm going to be showing you, and a lot more on how to promote your videos the right way for your video to be recommended by YouTube. So now let's go straight to our YouTube Studio dashboard. So this is our channel customization. All you need to do is just for you to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, then you click on customization. This here, it will bring you to where you see profile, you see home tab, right? So you click on this home tab. So right now it will bring you to this place. Are you seeing this here? Make sure you turn it on, because if you didn't turn it on, whatever you are going to do here is not going to reflect in your home page. So make sure you turn it on before you do any setting here, right? So now I want to show you how you're going to promote your videos. This particular setting I want to show you, it is very simple and very easy. It's just for you to understand how it works and how you'll be able to promote your videos the right way. So like I said before, whatever video that you know that is not really performing well the way you really want, all you need to do is just for you to come to this home tab, right? So now you click on add section. So before I continue, you see this channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, right? This is the video I showed you earlier in my own page. So all you need to do is just for you to come to this channel trailer, then you click on it. Mine is already set, so you click on it, then you select any video that you know that is suitable for your new subscribers, that is people that will come to your channel for the first time, the video that is talking about your channel. So if you really want to promote that particular video that you know that is not really doing well, it's just for you to just come in and place it here. So once a new subscriber comes to your channel, is that video they will see, and that video will just start playing immediately. Especially if you are watching from your laptop, it will just start playing immediately. Like I showed you earlier, this particular video has gotten 1.3k views, right? And it's still counting, and I just did this setting recently, right? So all you need to do is just for you to place that particular video here. So after that, you see spotlights. Spotlights are for returning subscribers, like people that have subscribed to your channel and maybe they'll just want to come to your channel again, the particular video that they are going to see, right? So you will be the one to place those videos there. This is like the featured for returning subscribers. So like this particular video now, I've gotten up to 900 and something views as of when I just place it here. So all you need to do is just for you to click on that spotlight, and it will take you to all your videos, and you choose the particular video that you know you want to place here, and you place it here, right? So the next one for you to do is for you to go to this for you. You are saying this for you, these are the video that I've set. So if you go to my own page, you're going to see all the settings there. I actually set them there, and I know that you have been seeing it in other channel. They do this setting yourself. You promote your videos yourself, and once they watch those videos, that is how YouTube will be recommending more of your videos to more audience, right? So you see, now there is something I want to show you. You click on this more setting to bring you to this place. You see this particular setting where you see all content recommended, and you see recent content only. If you know that you've been on YouTube for the past maybe 1 year and 2 years, just go ahead and click on recent content only. Don't click on all content, because you won't like the situation whereby YouTube will be recommending all those your old videos to your subscribers, and you know we grow every day in this YouTube, right? So you've optimized your thumbnail, so you have to put recent content only, so that YouTube will be recommending more of your recent content to your audience. You see how your views will be increasing. But if you know that you are a new YouTuber, I'll advise to click on all content only, like what is showing here, because I just joined this YouTube not up to 3 months. So you click on all content, because all my content are still new, right? So you click on all content only. But if you still want to click on recent and you want YouTube to be recommending recent content, you click on recent content only. So all these settings are very, very important. So after making your decision, click on done, and then you click on publish. If you didn't publish this particular setting, whatever you have done is not going to reflect on your home page. So make sure you publish this setting, right? Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on our next video, guys. Bye.